Park in here, and today we're gonna revisit my Samsung Transform Ultra disassembly videos. I just figured that the audio and video quality can be improved and make it just a little bit shorter because I know they're kind of lengthy. So to start things off, you have these 6 silver screws on the outside that you want to unscrew, and then you're gonna have 2 black screws on the inside. I lost them. I've done this probably 10 times. So anyways, after you get that done, pause the video, or pause the video before you get that done, and then after you're done, unpause the video. Alrighty, now that you have all those screws removed, you're gonna want to open up your phone and flip it over and get in between here to pop off your keyboard to the back. There's like little clips. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Just go around popping off your keyboard. You might need to buy a plastic tool off eBay or something. Use an old credit card or plastic card, and you're just gonna wanna carefully rock it back and forth like that when you get half of it done, so it just unclips itself. Now this metal piece will just slide right out. Be careful. And here's your keyboard essentially. Now here's going to be a little ribbon cable that you're going to have to pop off like that. If you don't have fingernails like I have, use nothing metal to pry stuff apart. Try to use something plastic like that corner of the business card, or try to get your finger in there. Alright, and this should lift right out. And you got your keyboard here and the actual buttons here. Now this piece, I've done this many times so it doesn't hold down anymore, but this piece is normally held in there by clips. I think I broke the clips or something. You want to get in there, and it's kind of self-explanatory on how to get them out. There's like these 2 little clips here, and you just want to wiggle it and get in there until it pops out. Now to get at your screen, you got 4 screws. You have one here in this opening, one down here, one here. Alright, now pause the video and take those out, and unpause it when you're done. Alrighty, now that you have these screws out, you're going to want to take that same card or your fingernail and get underneath here. Let's see here. Get underneath here in between your screen, the actual front part of the screen, and this backing. And you're going to want to pop it off. It's not going to be this easy for you if this is your first time. Like I said, I've done this like 10 times, so this phone's falling apart. So now you want to go around. If you have to, be mindful of this ribbon cable. Close this up so you can get at this side. But you're gonna want to, if you get to the part where you're like half of it like this is done, you just want to, let me make sure, yeah, okay. You just want to wiggle it and pull up. This is the best way I found to get that other half off. Now you want this open when you have this completely off, and then that ribbon cable will just slide right through there. Alright, go ahead and pause the video and then we'll continue after. Here's this little clip right here, just like on that other ribbon cable. That's your camera. That's your front facing camera. Coming back to this piece, it's been a while since I've taken it apart, so I forgot. These are all just pressure clips for the ribbon cable, so you have to get in there and slide it out like this. For all of them, you want to be careful. These things down here are small and they're going to be easy to tear. So, but other than that, when all these ribbon cables are off, I believe the only thing you will have left is this screen and then this piece back here, this board, which is for your screen. So either if you have to change just the glass part, or if you have to change your whole screen assembly and you have your case is still good, I would do that. Otherwise, on eBay, there's a lot of, look up for a bad ESN phone. They're cheap as fuck. So, I mean, and you can just change out the whole screen assembly. You don't have to get in here and mess with these little wires. You just pop this piece off and pop the new piece on your phone. Or, to make it really easy, all you got to do is take out this board with this plate. Oops. This board and this plate. And take this board and plate and put it into other phone. If it looks better than your phone, and then this will be working. This is the only part that matters for your phone signal and having your phone number. This is your phone number on this board right here. So that's the best thing I can tell you. I'm not tearing this apart any further because it's a working phone still. Other than being a bad ESN, it still works and I can program stuff on it and everything. So you're kind of on your own, but other than pretty much, I would, yeah, you're gonna get the whole glass assembly. You might as well just get this whole piece if you just need your glass. That's why I said just grab a bad ESN phone. That's about it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope this helped.